Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Tour with MindSpore. I'm Vanessa Zhang. Today we have a fantastic guest, Mr. Deng Yiping. Mr. Deng is currently working at Huawei as a senior technical expert, and he is also the general manager of technology in the MindSpore Community. So, Mr. Deng, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
MindSpore 2.6.0 has just been released as the MindSpore Developer Day 2025.
Yeah.
So, what are the top 3 key features or improvements that you are most excited about?
Thank you. In my opinion, the first important feature is to fully support DeepSync on Ascent, including pre-training, post-training, and inference. DeepSync is not just a powerful model. In my opinion, it is also a typical example of systematic optimization. DeepSync delivered many technologies such as MLA, MTP, and FP8 training. Some of them have been supported in MindSpore 2.6. The second feature is to build an open source integrated machine for DeepSync inference. We have integrated VLM, MindSpore, and OpenOLA in this solution together, so user can deploy DeepSync in 1 hour. The third one, I think, is the ability to support dynamic graph model, which can reduce the migration cost from PyTorch to MindSpore. So the usability of MindSpore is improved very large. Except for this, we also have many important features on MindSpore 2.6. Welcome to our website for more information.
Okay.
The second feature is to build an open source integrated machine for DeepSync inference. We have integrated VLM, MindSpore, and OpenOLA in this solution together, so user can deploy DeepSync in 1 hour. It's very convenient. The third one, I think, is to support a dynamic graph model. With this model, user can migration their model from PyTorch to MindSpore very fast, so the usability is largely improved. Except for these 3 features, we also have many other features in MindSpore 2.6 version. More information you can see on our website.
So for developers who are currently using old versions of MindSpore, why should they upgrade to MindSpore 2.6.0?
One benefit is performance, I think. We optimized the core framework, including the distributability and the compiler and the operators. Most of the model can improve an average 10% performance. Meanwhile, for shorter models such as DeepSync, we made some special optimizations combined with Ascent chips together. The other benefit, I think, is usability. We support a dynamic graph model, as I mentioned before, which can solve process alignment problem that is very difficult in large model training, and it is easy to debug. And then we also provide memory simulation tools called Dry Run in MindSpore 2.6, which can help quickly adjust parallel strategies in large-scale cluster training, and that is very difficult in cluster training. At the same time, we add many open source shorter models on our website. Developers can easily and quickly obtain them and deploy in their product systems.
From your perspective, what are the biggest challenges that faced by AI developers or the entire AI industry? And how does MindSpore help this?
This is a very interesting question. In my opinion, And the biggest challenges for AI developer is that maybe they will lose their job. Since the focus of big model is shifted from training a model to use a model. In other words, many companies abandoned training their self-model, but to select DeepSync instead. So the demand of pre-training is decreasing very fast. And the demand for post-training and the inference are increasing very fast. So to solve this situation or solve this problem, how MindSpore can help AI developers, that is what I want to say in the next. I think the biggest thing for MindSpore is to reduce the gap between model training and model application. We can provide an integrated solution for AI developer to download and deploy and fine-tuning a model in one software solution. So that's what we have done in MindSpore 2.6 version, and we will continuously to build this ability in the next versions.
From your perspective as a technology leader, what are the most significant trends that are happening in the AI industry or the open source industry right now?
This is a very open question. In my opinion, there are 4 trends need to be studied. Firstly, the research on reinforcement learning has just begun. New algorithms, new world strategies will emerge one after another. Secondly, how to efficiently combine sparse computing and distributed training is still an open problem. For example, with the number of MOE experts increasing, the utilization rate of the cluster is hard to keep nearly improved. Thirdly, end-side AI or mobile AI is become more and more important, especially, for example, especially to deploy a large language model in your mobile phone, where the computing power is very limited. Also about the primacy. The last one I think is generative AI. The diffusion model is a powerful and promising algorithm in the future, and it is applied in many new fields such as AI for science and embodied intelligence.
MindSpore recently celebrated its 5th anniversary as an open source AI framework. How has it evolved over these years?
This question is hard to answer. It's a long time. Perhaps you have heard the saying that Huawei adheres to the dual-wheel driver. One is science and technology. The other is customer requirement. For the science and technology perspective, I think innovation is our pursuit, including function automatic differentiation, including distributed parallelism, graph compile, and force scenario deployment proposed by MindSpore in the past years. And MindSpore also one of the earliest framework to focus on large-scale cluster training. Our automatic parallelism technology can help cluster training large models very convenient. These are the talking from the technology perspective. On the other, we have to meet the demands of our customer at the first time. For example, recently DeepSync is very popular. Almost all the customers want to support DeepSync training and inference. So a framework has supported and deeply optimized for DeepSync at the first time. So in this morning we deliver MindSpore 2.6, which majorly present how to support DeepSync.
What are the next steps or future plans you envision for MindSpore development after this 2.6.0 release?
Actually, I have many expectations for the future of MindSpore. I hope more and more developers can use MindSpore. I hope more and more community developers can build together with us. I hope more and more ecological partners can build a solution and tools based on MindSpore. I also hope to train a powerful model like DeepSync based on MindSpore. But to achieve this objective, we need to build our framework powerful step by step. So we also have many practical plans in the future. We will continuously improve the ability of MOE and reinforcement learning, and we will support multiple model or fully model training.
How will MindSpore adapt to emerging trends in AI like generative AI, quantum machine learning, and intelligent computing?
This is a very interesting topic since AI technologies are rapidly developed. So in my opinion, this question is equal to how to win in rapid changes in AI time for MindSpore. The first thing I think is we will be more open. Only with openness and flexibility we cope with rapidly changing technologies. I think many new software or new models emerging in future. MindSpore needs to support these new technologies as soon as possible. To achieve this, we need to architecture will be more open and flexible, so we can use the new software very faster. And meanwhile, we need to embrace the leading community in open source community, especially since I think the power of the open source community is much stronger than one company, even for a company as big as Huawei. On the one hand, we need technological foresight and persistence. Seriously, I think technological foresight and persistence are key elements of success for DeepSync. We need to prepare technology in advance. Based on this preparing, we can find our DeepSync moment in the future. So we can win in the future.
Thank you, Mr. Deng, for joining us today. Today you have shared a lot about the MindSpore 2.6.0 release and some envisions about the entire AI or open source industry. We have learned a lot from it. So thank you for joining us. Hope we will catch up and we will record another episode sometime.
Thank you. It's a very happy time. Glad to be here. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.